going to make terrariums. In order to make terrariums, you don't actually have to be outside. You don't even need things like this.
Ow! Florid!
Terrariums are basically when you take a sealed container and make it into a habitat for plants. They can also be used to contain lizards, but that's not what we're doing today. Terrariums can come in many shapes and sizes, and they can even hold a variety of plant types. However, today we're just going to keep it simple. So let's get started, shall we? You're going to need sand, rocks, and dirt. You'll also need a jar, plant seeds, and measuring cups. Because we didn't want to buy entire bags of dirt and rocks, we went ahead and bought another kit. If you notice beforehand that your dirt has any giant clumps in it, simply mash them up with a fork. So first we need to build the base of our terrariums. For the first layer, pour in 1/2 cup of dirt. Then add 1/4 cup of sand. If you see any clumps in the sand, you can lightly break them up with a regular fork. Next, add 3/4 cup of pebbles to your base. And finally, add another layer of dirt. If you would like, you can set aside some of your dirt to cover your seeds. Once you have your base, go ahead and pour in your seeds. We use 2 types of plants: chia, yes, like the chia pets, and wheatgrass. If you saved any of your dirt from before, go ahead and pour it over your seeds now. After you've poured the last layer of dirt over your seeds, give it 2 sprays of water, put the lid back on, and voila, you have a terrarium. To keep your plants healthy, make sure to water them. 2 sprays a day should be just fine. Now, place your jar by a window that gets plenty of sunlight and let your seeds grow. After just a few days, you should begin to see results. Once your wheatgrass grows too tall to fit in the container, simply take the lid off. Just remember to keep watering it.
Thanks for joining us, guys, and we hope to see you when we make another fantastic experiment video. Bye!
Terrariums can come in many shapes and forms, and they can even hold a variety of plant types.